Law. The law was given by Robert Boyle on the basis of his experimental study of the variation of volume of a gas with the change of pressure at constant temperature. The law formulated by him states that the temperature remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Mathematically, if V is the volume of a gas at pressure P, then V is inversely proportional to pressure. Now we can rewrite as pressure into volume is equal to a constant, because when we remove a proportionality sign, a constant is to be written. It is to be noted that K here is not similar to that of equilibrium constant. In other words, if at constant temperature V1 is the volume of a gas at pressure P1, and on changing the pressure to P2, the volume changes to V2. Therefore, the above equation becomes P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Now, according to these mathematical equations, graphs can be drawn between pressure and volume. When the graph is drawn between pressure and volume at constant temperature, then the graph is known as isotherm, and the graph obtained is seen in the figure that it is a hyperbolic curve with negative slope. When the graph is drawn between log P and log V, it is a straight line graph with inverse slope. And when the graph is drawn between pressure and inverse of volume, the graph is a straight line graph passing through zero. And when the graph is drawn between pressure into volume and pressure, it is a straight line graph which runs parallel to base. Now, questions related to the Boyle's law. First, what is meant by an ideal gas? Second, give mathematical expression of Boyle's law. Third, what is an isotherm? Fourth, write a note on Boyle's law. Answer to these questions you will find in the video discussed. So please write down the answers so that you may remember the lesson properly. Thanks.